Welcome to August at Ozarks Technical Community College. The Springfield campus was a busy place over the long, hot summer as we expanded our capacity in classrooms, improved safety, and gave some of our buildings an aesthetic refresh. The Industry Transportation Technology Center, also known as the ITTC, received a major remodel. Construction crews worked to create more parking spaces, a better traffic flow, and improve safety for pedestrians. The interior of the building was gutted, and the opening of the PMC allowed the college to create 36 brand new welding booths.
Welding remains one of our most popular programs, and we knew we had an opportunity when the PMC opened to clear some space in the ITTC building to create capacity. For the fall, for the space that we added, we are already at 80% capacity. So we knew that our demand was there, we just had no idea how much we would be touching the next ceiling of our capacity growth.
On the south side of ITTC, the old greenhouse is gone and construction is underway for the new plumbing program, which will debut in 2024. Across campus at Lincoln Hall, the exterior of the historic building remains untouched, but the inside received a lot of work. There's a new nursing lab, and the surgical technology classroom and lab doubled in size to increase the capacity of that program. The main entrance received a facelift to match the Art Deco style of the 1930s when Lincoln was constructed.
Every single health sciences lab classroom has been touched in some way. New floors, new paint, new LED lights, completely updating this space from what it was 23 years ago, the last time it was done. So now when students come through on tours, they're going to see a very updated space that actually looks like a healthcare, high-tech type place that they want to come and train in.
Culinary replaced some appliances and modified utilities to create a more open floor plan that will improve the chef's abilities to offer instruction. Driving into campus from the north will look different too, as Hampton Avenue is getting new wide sidewalks on both sides of the road and lighting all the way into the student plaza. Of course, the summer of 2022 was a flurry of construction activity too, as we opened the 120,000 square foot Robert W. Plaster Center for Advanced Manufacturing. This summer, the PMC hosted middle and high school students for a couple of manufacturing camps. In the second week of July, 7th through 10th graders descended on the PMC for the Explore Advanced Manufacturing camps, where 20 students learned about automation, precision machining, and they even tried their hands at welding.
I thought it was just a blowtorch and you just slide it across the metal and it would meld. It feels a lot more complicated, but once you get to know it, it feels a lot easier and you can start doing bigger projects.
So we're just kind of practicing different thicknesses, different positions and things. And some of them, are better than I've seen people get paid to do.
Students learned about advanced manufacturing, information technology, and cybersecurity with an emphasis on keeping data secure. While most of the campers are years away from college, the camp's goals are to light the spark of interest in science and technology. 6 years ago, OTC earned a federal TRIO grant to establish the Veterans Upward Bound program. The VUB staff helped veterans and active military members with college enrollment. In July, Veterans Upward Bound held open houses for interested veterans at the Springfield and Waynesville campuses. During the first 5 years of the VUB grant, they could only help Greene County veterans, but when the grant was renewed in 2022, their territory was expanded to nearly all of Southwest Missouri. Veterans Upward Bound staff help with everything from applying to college to helping people brush up on their math and English, but their biggest assistance is in navigating veterans' benefits.
Really making sure that they know what they have available to them and that they're using it correctly to their advantage. So you can really maximize your educational benefits if you use them right, and no one ever explains that to a veteran as they exit the military. So we're here to do that and help them maximize it.
That's going to do it for this month's Around the College. Back in June, the Dickerson Park Zoo hosted OTC employees, family, and friends for the third annual OTC weekend at the zoo. Enjoy this look back, and until next time, I'll see you around the college.